Alright. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know you can't really see me, but doesn't matter. Finally got my exhaust in. It's the Akrapovic, whatever, replica off eBay. I got it for a total of $43.99, so basically 44 US dollars. So we're going to go ahead and get into this unboxing because I'm pretty excited. Let's see if it's like fully taped. I'm glad they cared about the package. Jesus Christ. Okay, hopefully I don't cut my hand off. It wound up on Most Shocking instead of YouTube. Oh my god, I can't even rip this crap. Well, you know when you get it, it'll be sealed really nice for you. Because, alright. Should be able to get it out now. Bubble wrap, tape. Ugh. There we go. Now onto the good stuff. Alright. Cut this side open. And it's time to peel open. Oh my god, you're kidding me. Oh, watch your hands, buddy. Learn how to use a knife. Okay.
Moment you've all been waiting for.
Oh, so I actually got my sticker. This wasn't even supposed to come with one, but it did, so I'm glad about that. Some little Chinese thing. The clamp, it's white. I wish it was just gray or silver, whatever, but I can deal with that. Let's see what's in this package. Everyone always saves the good stuff for last, so that's what I'm going to do. Rubber grip, just slides on opposite way, this way. I'll do that later. Y'all aren't worried about that, right? Take it, these are my bolts. Which way? Oh, these are my spring bolts. Okay. So, got my two spring bolts. And my other bolt for this. It has these two little U things. I have no clue what that is. But I'll find a way to use it. Alright? Let's get the big papa out of here. Ugh. Doesn't want to come out. Okay. Gotta do some more cutting. It's like Christmas. I'm just going to rip it open. Okay, nice size pipe. So it's going to come out. Nice weight to it, not too heavy though. Oh wow, this is a really nice color. I mean, of course it's fake carbon fiber, but I mean, this thing looks pretty badass. I'm definitely going to take that baffle out. First things first, I'm actually about to take it out now. If I only knew where my Allen wrenches were. But it's really not bad at all, seriously. No cheap weld spots. Nice weight to it, it doesn't feel cheap. Let's go ahead and take this baffle out really quick. Sorry I kept you waiting. Let's go ahead and get this baffle out, because I don't want it at all. I buy an exhaust to make my shit loud. People who always, oh, to keep a baffle and it's too loud, then why the hell did you buy an exhaust? If I can just find the right one. Jesus Christ. Too big. That's what she said. Alright, there we go. So it's just a little bolt right here. Just go ahead and twist it on out. Bolt in the washer. And the baffle. Oh yeah, baby. See through it. Oh, okay, it's pretty soundproof too. That's cool. I'm gonna to put this on my bike today, so you guys are going to hear what that sounds like. Should I put the sticker on it? Shit, so it's going to go in the exhaust like this. I don't know if I want to I'll put it right there. I just like put it on the wrong spot, like a dumbass. Okay, so under my bike. Okay. Sorry, I was like imagining it in my head. Make sure it's not crooked, line up nice and straight. Perfect. Now that looks fucking dope. Sorry, excuse my language. I like that. That's sick, right? Yeah. Replica Chinese all day. $44. Y'all paying $500. Probably perform a lot better, but how this comes out, you just wanna pull it out. It just comes right out. Alright. Well, thank y'all for watching the unboxing. I'm going to have the install video. I'm actually about to go outside and put it on right now just because I am super impatient and I can't wait. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Come on. Just got done installing the Akrapovic exhaust. Now, how I said previously how you get an exhaust for it to be loud, this is too loud. Too loud. Okay? Now, mine's cocked at a weird angle just because I kind of wanted it to be different. As you can see, it's a little different. I'm going to start it up right now. It's actually a cold start. So,